Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we have something really incredibly exciting to talk about. We're diving into the world of AI and more specifically, we'll be discussing Pika Labs, which is, a new groundbreaking AI video generator. So this tool is basically revolutionizing the way we convert images to videos, and also not only that, we can also convert text to videos as well. So yeah, stay tuned because this is a really game changer for all of you guys. Alright, so in this video, I will basically be doing two things. So we'll be converting text, which means you can basically convert your prompts into very realistic AI animated videos, and also you can convert your images to AI generated animated videos as well. So let's just say you have an image of certain thing, certain cartoon or certain character, so you can make a proper animated video out of that cartoon character within few seconds, right? So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so first of all, you need to go into your browser and you need to type in Pika Labs. And then you need to go to this first website right over here. All right, and this will be the homepage of Pika Labs. And then you'll need to basically click on Join Beta, and this will basically directly direct to your Discord account. And yeah, from here, you can basically simply go to your Pika channel, and you'll find basically a lot of options over here. And if you want to create animated videos, so you can go to Creations. We have a lot of channels over here. So yeah, you can select anyone. Let's just say I go to this channel, Generate 9. So after that, now you're good to go. And now you can, easily create videos out of images as well as text or prompts. So yeah, first of all, let's discuss how you can create animated videos from text or prompts. Okay, so for that, you need to type here / and you need to type create. And yeah, this will basically ask you to write the prompt from where you can create your animated video. So yeah, you can write any prompt here. Let's just say I provide, a boy sitting in a garden smiling. All right, let's just say I provide this prompt to our Pika Labs. So if I just go ahead and hit enter, so it will take a few seconds, to load up the video for you guys. So, just wait for that. All right, so now it is done. And as you guys can see, this is the kind of video that, this Pika Lab has generated for me, which I prompt a boy sitting in a garden smiling. And if I go ahead and make it a full screen, so you can see, it looks quite decent, but the problem here is, it's just only 3 seconds. So yeah, how you can resolve this problem, how you can extend these kind of videos. I have a trick for that, which I'll be telling you guys later in this video. So now let's just go ahead and see how you can basically convert your images, into animated AI videos. For that, you can easily simple another prompt here, which will be / create. And now it will ask you to enter prompt. And here you can see it's asking +1 more. So if you can go ahead and click that, so it will give you the option to, add or insert image to your prompt as well, which is really, really cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and select image. So now it's asking me to drag and drop or click, to upload the file. So let's just say this is the image that I want to upload, and I want to make this image, like kind of animated AI video. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and drag this image right over here. I'm just going to make it full screen, and now I can enter my prompt here as well. So in this picture, you can see there's a boy on his laptop and he's basically just looking here. So I'm just, make a video out of him. I'm just going to say a boy smiling. So I'm just going to, make it simple, a boy smiling. So if I can go ahead and enter, so it will again take a bit of a second, so you just need to wait on that. All right, so now you guys can see our video is done. So if I can go ahead and play this, so you can see this is the video that we prompted, a boy smiling. If I can go ahead and open this on full screen. So yeah, as you guys can see, this video looks quite promising and it's very, very decent. So yeah, now let's come to the same problem that we had, how we can, elongate these videos, because these videos are only 3 seconds and we cannot use, these kind of short videos anywhere. We cannot upload them. So how we can elongate this? For that, now there's not a proper solution for that, because, Pika is in its beta version. So what I have thought for you guys is you can go ahead and open this, and you can go to the last, frame of this video where, the video is about, and let's just say I start this video from here, and this is basically the last frame of the video where, the boy is smiling. So if I can go ahead and take screenshot of this frame, let's just say, and I can go ahead and save the screenshot. All right. And now I can simply, go ahead and create another prompt by inserting the same image that I just screenshotted, which was this. And now I can simply prompt here the same thing, which was, right over here, boy smiling, okay? And I can hit enter, and, just like that, I can keep on elongating these videos. I can, just simply put all the chunk of these videos into a proper compiler, and I can generate as much long video as I want. by doing the same trick over and over again. So yeah, I hope you got my point. So for now, we'll just wait for this to complete the video for us. All right, so now you can see our video is done again, and it has played our video, from where it left. Okay, so if I can go ahead and let's just say if I can go ahead and save both of my, videos that I created out of Pika Labs. So let's say I've saved this first of all. All right, it is downloaded. And yeah, after that, let's just say I saved the previous one as well. Let me just find that quickly. All right, which was this. I can go ahead and save that as well. All right, here we go. So now, what we can do is we can keep on doing these steps and we can, merge all of those videos with the help of any editor. Let's just say I open my editor right over here and, I just make a new project and I import both of these files over here. All right, and I just go ahead and drag these files right over here. So yeah. Now you guys can see, let me just show you the output real quickly. So now you guys can see, with the help of this, we can keep on elongating these videos and, you can create a loop out of that very easily. And, with the help of this simple trick, you can make like a video of maybe like a minute to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, like as much as you want. So this is how basically you can create AI generated animated videos out of simple text or maybe image of your choice. So yeah, I hope you like this quick video and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.